Hello dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about methods of determination of order of reaction. There is a 5-6 methods are there students to find the order of the reaction. Mainly we are going to discuss about only one method, that is initial rate method. We will also solve one question based on that initial rate method. These topics are from the chapter Chemical Kinetics. Methods of determination of order of reaction. Order of reaction. First method is trial and error method. This is also known as integrated form of rate equation method. Integrated form of rate equation method. Second one is graphical method. Graphical method. Third one is want of differential method. Want of differential method. Ostwald isolation method. Ostwald's isolation method. Half-life method. Half-life method. Sixth one is initial rate method. Out of these 6 methods students, mainly we will discuss about initial rate method by taking one question directly, right? Half-life method, that formula I will give you here, that is T off at second case divided by T off at first case is equal to initial concentration at case 1 divided by initial concentration at case 2 to the whole power of n minus 1. That is, by taking one experiment if you are doing, that is initial concentration of A naught, that is at case 1. If the T off, then we are getting it as T off dash. At the case 2, in the case 2, if the initial concentration we are taking it as A naught double dash, then it is T off, half-life time is T off at double dash. Then by using this formula, we can calculate the order of the reaction, where this n minus 1, whole power n minus 1, n is the order of reaction. Students, out of these 6 methods, mainly we have in syllabus initial rate method. Let us take one question and discuss about the initial rate method now. Students, initial rate method, straight away we will discuss by taking one question, that is for a gas phase reaction 2A plus B2 gives rise to 2AB. The following rate data was obtained at 300 Kelvin. Rate of disappearance of B2, that is in the given in the units of mole per liter per minute. Concentration of A and B2 also given. In the 3 different experiments, we got this following data, and they are asking to calculate the rate constant for the reaction is. Students, we will find order also, order and rate constant also. 4 options are given like this: 0.5 mole inverse, minute inverse, liter, 0.8. C option is given as 1.5, D is given as 2. Units of all the options are same, it is, right? Students, let us write the rate expression first. Rate is equal to rate constant multiplied by reactant power raised to the power of some x. Students, it is not mentioned it as a elementary reaction. If it is given as elementary reaction, straight away we can write it as a power 2 and b2 power 1, like that we can write. Overall order of the reaction is 3, we can tell, right? But here it is not mentioned it is a elementary reaction. We should find out the order of the reaction by using this following data. Let us write the rate expression, that is R is equal to K into A power X and B2 power Y. We need to find out the X and Y values. With respect to A, it is a X, order is X. With respect to B2, it is order is Y. Overall order of the reaction is X plus Y. So they are asking to calculate what is the rate constant K also in this, right? So let us write down the equations by using the following data. By putting substituting this data into this expression, we will get a 3 different equations now, right? So K is a rate constant. First data we are entering here, that is K into 0.015 whole power X. This is concentration of A we are writing here. B2 place we can write it as 0.15 whole power Y is equal to this rate here, it is 1.8 into 10 power minus 3. This is assumed as equation 1. Then second data we are substituting. So K into 0.09 whole power X, 0.15 whole power Y is equal to 1.08 into 10 power minus 2. This is assumed it as equation 2. Then third data we are substituting, then we will get a K into 0.015 whole power X and 0.45 whole power Y is equal to 5.4 into 10 power minus 3. This is equation 3. So from this, using 3 equations, we need to find out what is the X, Y and the K values. Students, let us observe these equations and let us find out the values here, right? So first what we will do is equation 2 by equation 1 we will do. Equation 2 is this one, right? K into 0.09 whole power X, 0.15 whole power Y divided by, this is for the equation 2 on the left hand side of the equation we are getting. For the equation 1, left hand side of the equation, K into 0.015 whole power X into 0.15 whole power Y is equal to, right hand side of the equation, 1.08 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 1.8 into 10 power minus 3. Students, let us simplify this and calculate what is the X and Y values as well as the rate constant K now. Students, we are doing equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 2 on the left hand side we have written K into 0.09 whole power X into 0.15 whole power Y divided by, for the equation 1, K into 0.015 whole power X into 0.15 whole power Y is equal to, right hand side of the equation, 1.08 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 1.8 into 10 power minus 3. Students, here K gets cancelled. So 10 power 0.15 whole power Y, 0.15 whole power Y gets cancelled. Remaining terms, this is in the form of A power X by B power X. Then we can write it as AB whole power X. 0.09 divided by 0.015 whole power X is equal to, right hand side of the equation on simplifying we will get it as a 6. And this is also will get it as 6. 6 power X is equal to 6 power 1. So that means X is equal to 1. With respect to A, it is a first order, right? Then let us calculate a Y from this by using these equations. Students, now we need to try to eliminate X from these equations. So we can use these 2 equations now, right? So what we will do is, which one is greater? This is greater. So we will do equation 3 by 1 now. Equation 3 by 1. So that this X value will get cancelled. equation 3 divided by equation 1. So for 3, k into 0.015 whole power x, 0.45 whole power y, divided by, for 1, k into 0.015 whole power x, 0.15 whole power y is equal to, right hand side of the equation 5.4 into 10 power minus 3, divided by right hand side of the equation for the 1, that is 1.8 into 10 power minus 3. So these two terms are similar, gets cancelled, k gets cancelled. So this we will get it as 0.45 divided by 0.15 is 3 power y is equal to, this is also we will get it as a 3, right, 3 power 1. So that means y is equal to 1. So with respect to A it is first order, with respect to B2 also it is a first order. Students, rate expression we can write that as rate is equal to k into A power 1 and B2 power 1. So overall order of the reaction is second order reaction. Okay. So here they are also asking k value. So let us find out the k value by substituting in any one of the equation. First equation we will take. So k is equal to, students, we can write it as 1.8 into 10 power minus 3 divided by, transfer in these two terms other side, 0.015 into 0.15. On simplifying this we will get it as a B option, 0.8 mole inverse minute inverse liter we will get. So B option is right. Thank you for watching.